This is about my third time starting this video. Good morning, happy Wednesday. I'm trying not to yell because I have headphones in, or I haven't checked on it, and I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna start this off. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I am going kind of crazy. It's Wednesday and I haven't left the house since Monday, so I really don't know how to start this. Yesterday was not good. I did not practice good mental actions. I think this is the right word. Yeah, I didn't practice good mental actions. Got into a really bad place yesterday. But the good thing is we can only go up from here. As of yesterday, I'm officially out of a job for 4 weeks, so that has a lot to do with it. I talked to my car loan, and they're gonna add this payment onto the end of my term, so that's good. I'm gonna call a bunch of other companies today and see what they're doing, because this is like a national crisis. I don't know how I'm gonna make my bills without getting paid. I did file for unemployment, but I'm waiting to hear back, and it's like a really rude awakening for me is realizing like I need to be saving and having a savings account. When stuff like this happens, I never thought it would happen, but for when stuff like this happens, like I need to have a savings account. So once the world gets back to normal, that's what I'm going to be working on. Taking my ass off and building a savings account and maintaining a savings account so I can have something to fall back on, because I wouldn't be as stressed as I am right now. My goal for the next 4 weeks is to completely organize the apartment. I can really only organize the kitchen and my room, but I'm gonna completely redo it. My bathroom, just completely reorganize everything, get into like a new headspace kind of, and give me something to do. I'll go on lots of walks, work out. Like, I did not get into a good state yesterday, so we're gonna try to prevent that from happening again. I'm all over the place. This video is gonna be fun to edit. I'm about to head over to Target. I need melatonin. I have one left, and my sleeping's already bad enough as it is right now, so it'd be even worse without melatonin. So I'm gonna go get melatonin. Might pick up some other things. We are like almost out of alcohol, so I might get some alcohol. Just try not to spend a lot of money because I don't have a lot of money to spend right now. So the good thing though, also, so I have my tax refund coming in a few days, so that'll help me to pay rent and stuff. I'm trying to stay positive. I'm grateful. I have my roommate I'm gonna talk to right now. I would go crazy if I was living at home alone or with my family. Love my family, but like being cooped up with them for 4 weeks, that would not be good for any of us. And FaceTime, I'm gonna use FaceTime a lot. So I'm also catching up on like all my Netflix shows and YouTube, and just trying to make the best of a bad situation. Okay, I've rambled on for 4 minutes, but we're gonna go Target and then I'm gonna organize with you guys. Okay, so this is what the fridge looked like before. It honestly wasn't that bad, but it could have been a lot better. And wait till you see the after. It looks so much better. This honestly didn't take me that long either. So if you're bored, getting a little stir crazy, go fridge tour. This is all of our sauces right here, and the top shelf has mustard, ketchup, and in a Ziploc bag I put condiments for to-go orders so they're not like flying around everywhere. And behind there is sour cream, cream cheese, and you can't see it, but also butter. This is our hot sauce drawer, so salsa and hot sauce, and then behind there is all of the dark sauces, and then we have pickles and olives. And this fridge opens like that, so you can have easier access to the back where we have jams and nut butters, and then the sauces, and then we also have Alfredo and pasta and pizza sauce down here, which is nice. Just a bunch of sauces, all nice and organized. And then we also have the Trulies and V8s, so like canned stuff down here. And the last shelf is shakes and aloe vera drinks that my roommate likes to drink. And then when you open up the fridge, the top shelf is probably the one that I'm not the most proud of, but it has coffee, like the iced coffee that I like to drink, coffee creamer, there's like a mango juice back there, wine, vodka, and milk. And then this is some more like to go easy grab drinks, so that's what that is. And then there's matcha, salsa, and eggs.
as well. And then down below we have Angry Orchards and Pacifico lined up right there. Watermelon juice, strawberry juice, and also 2 things of orange juice back there as well. And it looks really nice. So the next shelf is the next drawer is oranges, apples, and watermelon cut up, and strawberries, so mostly fruit. And then there's some like random cookie dough because I didn't know where else to put it, so it's in there. Second shelf is salad, lettuce, and like meats and milk prepped things, so that's what that is. And then the third shelf is dog food and also some cheese and just like random stuff and tortillas, like things that I didn't really have a place for are in there. So that's what the fridge looks like. It looks really good. I'm so proud of it, and it didn't take that long. Hi guys, good morning, happy Thursday. This is the earliest I've woken up in a few days. It's 10:30, so I'm just trying to do better. Waking up early, it's just hard. You don't have anywhere to go. I go downstairs to my day started. I think today I'm going to organize like our cabinets in the kitchen. Tupperwares everywhere. It's hard to find a set of Tupperware with a lid and a container, so I'm going to do that today. And then I need to wash my sheets today. So, and then also if it stops raining, because it's been raining on and off, I'm going to go outside for a walk. So that's the plan. Happy Thursday. Better if you have a separate cup coffee, so doesn't go everywhere. Make something mess. You can use any creamer you want. So a couple splashes usually, I guess, or so. Here's some more. Just like right now, if you drop it, so we'll take off until on top, and that's what it looks like. Wow, I think I did it too hard this time. I think that's what those bubbles are. It tastes good. Can't complain. Who needs Starbucks? Not me. Okay, so for step 1, I decided to take everything out of the drawers. There were some stuff that I left in the drawers because I knew it was going to stay the same, more or less. But everything else I took out and I put it on the cabinet. I put it on the counter. I put it on the counter so I could kind of see what I was working with. And it's a lot of Tupperware and it's really not organized, but we're going to fix that. So I decided to start off by separating the lids from the containers, and then if they didn't have a matching lid, I kind of just threw it away. I did keep some that didn't have a lid, but you don't really need it if it doesn't have a lid. So I also did wipe them down. I didn't show that, but I did wipe them down. Just wanted to say that. Wanted to save you guys from watching so many time lapses. So here's the final product. This first drawer is okay, not the best. I put all the spatulas in this little container that we have, and down at the bottom is our glass containers, our little nicer Tupperware, and then 2 strainers, and then behind here are some Tupperware that we don't really use that often, but we can use if we need to. Okay, so in the top drawer I have mixing bowls and strainers, and then in that green container is Tupperware, and they all have a matching lid, which was my main goal during all of this. There's also some cutting boards to the side of that, but it looks way better than it did before. And then the top drawer, also not great, gonna fix that later. The middle drawer is dish towels and a food scale that we have. The third one is mostly just grilling stuff. Actually, it's all grilling stuff. Before, like, grilling stuff was all over the place. Now it's in one drawer. The final drawer has our glass cookware, and then everything else, like baking pans and cupcake tins, I put in the bottom of the stove. So it looks really good. Feels good to be organized and productive during this time. Hi guys, it is the next day. I'm currently on a walk right now. Told myself once it stopped raining that I would go on a walk. That's what I'm doing in my neighborhood, trying to get out of the house, so it feels good just to be like in fresh air. Highly recommend. I'm listening to a podcast, currently listening to Unfiltered by Lindsay Hughes,
And yeah, I'm really out of practice and really out of shape, but I'm gonna try to do this every day. The weather is good. Just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna be doing a lot of these over the next few weeks, organizing different places in my house. So thanks for watching. Keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and stay safe. Bye guys.